Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe, Chewy oatmeal cookies with a festive twist, topped off with chocolate chips and Reese's Pieces to use up those beautiful Halloween candies. Let's get started. The full recipe along with the measurements will be listed in the description box below. In a small bowl, combine all-purpose baking flour with spices, cinnamon, pumpkin spice mix, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix that very well to combine and set aside to work on your wet ingredients. In a separate large bowl goes your melted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar. Mix well to combine. No need for a stand mixer here, just a balloon whisk will do just fine. Adding your 1 room temperature egg. Mix well to combine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix that very well to combine. Now next up, you want to go ahead and add your dry ingredients until all of that is incorporated and homogeneous. 1 cup of old-fashioned oats and about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Old-fashioned oats will yield a chewy oatmeal cookie. Quick oats give you a crunchier cookie, so I prefer the old-fashioned. Adding 1 tablespoon of milk give you that stickier texture that we're looking for, again, for that chewier oatmeal cookie. The recipe yields 16 large cookies. Line them onto a greased baking sheet and top them off, some with chocolate chips and some with Reese's Pieces. Baking at 350 degrees for 13 minutes and removing to cool onto your baking sheet for about 10 to 15 minutes. And what I like to do here is use a small bowl and tap the edges to go ahead and create a round surface. Once your cookies are sort of round around the edges, go ahead and transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, easy to make chewy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies topped with chocolate chips and Reese's Pieces candy. How fun it is to make with the family. Let me know how yours comes out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every Monday. Thanks for watching. See you next week.